Well, this is a LiftMaster model 1150LM. And I'm going to show you how to program your Homelink to it. First off, you will want to press and hold buttons 1 through 3. And then after a while, they will start blinking. That'll let you know that all the codes have been erased. Then you will want to get your clicker. This is for, of course, the older LiftMaster models. So we're going to make it button number 1. This vehicle, by the way, is a 2004 Ford Expedition. So we just press and hold the buttons simultaneously. And once it starts rapidly flashing, we release. And let's try it again. And there you have it. Garage door is closing. And that's how you program your 2004 Ford Expedition Homelink to a LiftMaster 1150LM model.